Hi, Catherine here. In this Spring demo video, I'm going to show you our CFS Cloud File System test automation work and the robot framework. I'm going to record on both desktop and device side. As we already know, Robot Framework is a generic testing framework for acceptance test, and it's open source, Python based, and keyword driven. I have two instances of Ride, which is IDE of Robot Framework running because there's limitation of multiple display. On my left side, I'm going to show you what a typical test case looks like. So this is a test case. I'm going to test the rename feature of box file. So this is my test case. It's buried inside a suite, different suite. And these blue characters are our keywords. On my left side, I'm going to show you how this test run. So I'm going to start the test because it takes a few minutes to run. So I'm going to start recording on the device and start from here. So the first thing is to do the test setup. So I have the test setup, the keywords set up the test CFS test, which will start the automation app keywords. This is to fetch the agent code from the build server and start it in the device. So I'm start the Wi-Fi agent, and now the second thing is to run the login box keyword. I'm going back to my test case here. So you can see the login to box with testing account credential. On the device side, you can see I'm opening the box app and log in with testing account username and password. There's a bit of waiting, and I need to optimize scripts. So next step is to create a local file Word document by using Docs2Go application. So open Docs2Go and create a file, type something. These are all the setup of that particular test case. Basically, I want to have a test file ready on the cloud, and then I'm testing the rename feature. So save the file and then I'm copy this file to the cloud. Now I'm start to test the rename feature. Um, Open Box app, find that file we just copied, and select it and rename it to new name. There's a pop-up. Next thing is to verify the renamed file exists. If it does, then my test passed. Hey, the test passed. So um, on the reporting side, I can follow this URL to uh, check if my test results is good enough. So I have the test suite, and test suite has set up and tear down, and this is high level, and going down to rename suite, and I'm running this test case, and you can see all these keywords that we run all passed in the color of green. And you also can check if the details of the keyword, the logs, etc. I think that I covered it all. Thanks for watching.